What's going on, guys? I'm going to record another video for you guys today. This is going to be how to install a vehicle into your GTA FiveM server. I did this video like a couple months ago, but there were some audio issues, so you really couldn't hear what I was saying. So I'm going to go ahead and give you an updated version of that. So first things first, make sure you have the vehicle file that you want to put in. Okay, and then you're going to want to find your folder for your server. We use QBCore, so this is going to be for QBCore. You're going to find resources, QBCore, shared, and then vehicles. Now this is going to be where all your vehicles in your server are listed. Now you can just take the file for the vehicle itself, put it into your resource folder, insure it, and spawn the vehicle. It'll work. But if you want to be able to park them in the garages, you want to be able to sell them through your PDM, through your dealerships, all that stuff, you have to add them into this QBCore shared vehicle folder. Alright, so there's a couple ways you can do this also. If you notice the categories, there's motorcycle, off-road, utility, vans, you name it. There's sedans, all different types of vehicles. So it really depends on what type of vehicle you're adding in. Our specific vehicle is going to be an emergency vehicle. It's a police vehicle from Northern Mods. So one way you can do it is just go to the category that you want to use. For this one, we'll use emergency because it's a police vehicle. You just copy this line, drop down one, and paste it. And now we're going to go find out what our model name is. So you open your vehicle folder, whatever vehicle it is you're using, they're all going to be different. Go to data, vehicle, meta file. You want to open that, and then model name right here. This is NM_R342JZ. So this is going to be our spawn name for the vehicle. So if you have a car already in your server and you don't know what the spawn name is, if you want to spawn it by doing t/car, look right here under this vehicle.meta folder or file. This will tell you exactly what it is. So we're going to exit out of that for now. Go back to our vehicle shared folder in our QBCore. Okay, and then our emergency right here. So we know what the model name is. We'll just paste that because we just copied it from the other one. And then this is the name of the vehicle. We'll just put R34. You can just put R34. You can put whatever you want. It's just the name of the vehicle for the server. Brand, technically it's not a branded vehicle because of the TOS with FiveM. So for this instance, we'll just put police. Again, you can put whatever it is you want. Price. This is not okay. So this is where you would set the price if you were to put it inside of like PDM or any of your default vehicle sales scripts. Since it's a police vehicle, it's not going to be for sale, so you don't have to worry about that. Another thing with the category, so like your garages, like QBCore garages, the default ones, not every garage will let you put different categories into those garages. So let's just say Legion garage for an example. You may not be able to store this car in there because it's not set to allow emergency vehicles to be parked in there. So that's something you would have to change if you do want to let that vehicle be parked in that specific garage, whatever it is. And then the shop, this is like, say you have two different locations that you sell vehicles from. You may have like a PDM and you may have like a Lux dealer. This is where you would put like which shop you want it to go into. But again, we're using a police vehicle, so it's not going to be for sale in the city. This is one way you could do it. At this point, you could just hit file, save, and be done. I'm going to show you another way you could do it though. Let's go ahead and highlight this. We're going to copy it and we're just going to remove it. So another way you could do it if you don't want to put it that way with the categories, and say you want to put all your vehicles that are add-ons into your folder all into one specific location, you could just go right here, drop a few lines down, make sure this is highlighted in green. If this is in any other color like that, you're going to have all kinds of script errors. So all we're doing is just making a note that this is add-on vehicles. So anything below this line will be add-on vehicles. And then from there, you could just highlight something again, just to copy it, and then you would paste it right here. We've already got the same one, so we're just gonna leave it. But this is another way you could do it if you don't want to put it in the category and have them mixed in with the default cars. Just make you a little section at the very bottom and then just put all of your add-on vehicles into one section if you prefer. It really could work either way. So then we're just gonna go to save. We're done with that. Now we're gonna go into our resource folder. You're gonna go to new, and you're gonna want to type it just like this. Make sure you have these marks before and after. Okay, I've already got a folder named that, so we'll just leave that there. Then you're gonna be able to drag all of your, let's say you have tons of car files, you're gonna be able to just drag them all and drop them in this folder. Now that that's in there, we're gonna make sure that this cars folder is insured, so it starts with the server. You're just gonna want to go here. This is your QBCore server config, and you just want to go ensure cars. Type it exactly like it is on the folder itself. So whatever this is exactly how it needs to be right here. If you don't do that, it will not start. Okay, now we have it insured. We have it into our QBCore shared vehicle folder, and then we have the actual car itself in the folder. All you have to do is go, if you have TXadmin, just go ahead and go here, restart your server, and then once your server's restarted and everything is done, you can go into your server and you'll be able to spawn that vehicle. So we'll go ahead and let this restart and we'll jump into the server. Alright, here we are back into our server. So now all you have to do, you've already got everything loaded in. If you have admin permissions, you can do T/car, and then you want to put that model name in, whatever the vehicle it is you're using, because like I said, they're all different. This one's going to be R34-2JZ, and there you go. Your car is now successfully spawned into the server, and everything will work correctly. You'll be able to park it, you'll be able to sell it through your dealerships, whatever it is you're trying to do. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. If you'd like to see anything else that has to do with FiveM scripts, reviews of any kind of MLOs or scripts for FiveM itself, drop a comment below. Let me know. We'll try to get it done for you. We'll catch y'all next time.